is complete. This is a DYNA-GLO or DYNA-GLO, 30,000 BTU. Fairly easy to install it. Basically install the gas line, pick the type of fuel that you're gonna use, either LP or natural gas. And it comes with a bracket to hang it off the wall. And of course the controls are right up top on this. There's the igniter button and then your thermostat setting. Just simple as that. There's really not much to install in this, as long as of course you have the gas line there. That's the hardest part. So you can use LP or natural gas. So I currently got it hooked up with a natural gas. He's rated for 1,000 square foot. What I'm trying to heat is a 3-car garage. About 830, just under 830 square foot. I do have 11-foot ceilings. We'll see how this does. As you can see, it's about 47 degrees inside here, and it's about 35 degrees outside. So we're gonna kick this thing on and see what it'll do. I have it lit for the first time. Seems to be putting out fairly nice heat. The controls again are right up top. There's the igniter. There's your dial for the thermostat. So it's got 5 settings on it. So for about an hour of running time on this, and I've had it set on the lowest settings, and as you can see the temperature, as you can see it's 57 degrees in here, and outside it's 32, almost 33 degrees. So this thing's actually keeping it pretty comfortable in here. It seems to be on the first settings, it shuts off automatically at about 60 degrees, and it'll turn back on around 56 and a half, right around there. So even at the lowest setting, it's just about keeping it 60 degrees in here, and it's very comfortable. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. This was a pretty simple installation, you know, without having to mess with the venting it outside. This thing does seem to work pretty well. Here, we'll go ahead and crank it at the highest settings, and you can see the flame picking up a bit. For ventless, it's actually pretty good. You do get a little bit of a smell. That's something I only noticed when I first walk into the garage, and then it kind of fades away on you. So I think it's going to be all right. Thank you for watching.